guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we are going to review a few of the products from the Glossy Box Advent Calendar. Some of the ones that I haven't tried, specifically Ciate London Eye Palette. I wanted to see how this would perform, and so this is the look I created. So if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on that, as well as a couple of the other products, stay tuned. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed and these videos are of interest, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Alright, so I was very interested in trying out the Ciate London Trend Edit palette, and it retails on the website for $24. It has, this is what the packaging looks like. So it's sort of this blush color with Ciate in gold. Ciate London in gold. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. And then it comes with 9 shadows and a mirror. So these are the shadows. I think they're very pretty for fall. Very pretty for fall. There's mattes and shimmers in here, and so very pretty. So I wanted to go ahead and give this a try. In the Glossy Box, it came with this as well as a brush. This is an angled brush. I don't use angled brushes, so for me this is just something that I wouldn't use, but on the website they're completely separate. So I decided to try this, and then I also wanted to try the Black Magic mascara that came in the box. This is a sample size. Told you guys that I'm not really fond of sample size of mascara, but you know, if it performs well enough, I'll go ahead and order the full size. Also, for my lips, I used a Nudestix, and in Mystic, this is a lip and cheek pencil. Oh god, my hair is driving me crazy. I just washed it and it doesn't want to cooperate. So the first thing I did is I actually primed my lids with Fenty Beauty lid primer. I love this. Alright, so let's get started, and I'll show you how I created the eye look that I am wearing today. This is it. So what I did was, and they have the names on the back, but honestly I'm a little confused because if I go, it just is very confusing. Print is so small on the back, it's like enough to drive you crazy. So what I did is this color up here, which is really beautiful and pretty and makes an excellent transition color. All I did was go very high above the brow bone, circular sweeping motions, pulling it upwards because I have those hooded eyes, so we really want to pull that away. I just realized I forgot highlighter. This is the Chubby Stick by Clinique, and yeah, I love it. There we go. See how much better that looks? Oh, love highlighter. Okay, so then the next color, we want to deepen the crease. What I did was go in with this beautiful color here to deepen that crease and put it in the outer V. And it's a beautiful chocolatey rust color, so really pretty. Then I went in with this gorgeous gorgeous shimmer right here. So beautiful. Look at this. How pretty is that? Oh, love. So I went in with that shimmer color over the middle of my eyelid, almost to the inner corner, but not quite, because what I did was take this beautiful color here, this shimmer, and I added that to the, see if you can catch that there, beautiful. That beautiful shimmer to the inner corner. And then I did the same thing on the bottom lid. I just used the exact same colors, outer corner darkest, in the middle the transition, and then in the inner corner that beautiful shimmer. And so I will go ahead and pull you in so you can see that shimmer in the inner corner. I think it's really pretty. And then the mascara I used was Black Magic. It's by Eyeko London. So I thought this was really like I'm gonna go ahead and get the full size because I think it did a very good job of lengthening, thickening them just enough. It doesn't look goopy or gloppy, and I like the curl applicator. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I have this sitting out so that I can, I just can stop getting things all over the place. I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. And then on my lips, I did use the Nudestix in Mystic. I ruined this. I sat it too close to my curling iron and the whole thing just melted. But the color is really pretty, especially if you like a nude. Nice, neutral, perfect for fall. I thought it went really well with the eyeshadow palette. I think it's very, very pretty. And so what I did was I do this thing sometimes called reverse lining, where I just use this pencil real quick, and then I just took the It Cosmetics Your Lips But Better in the color Romantic Rose, which you all know is one of my favorites, and just lined the Cupid's bow and the top lip, and that's all I needed to do. So this is the look that I came up with. The blush that I'm wearing is by Milani, and this is in the color Romantic Rose. We're all just talking Romantic Rose everywhere. And so that's the blush that I'm wearing. And the foundation is by Estée Lauder. You guys know I'm a huge fan, and I have been trying out for my concealer today. I have been trying out the Estée Lauder 24-hour Double Wear Instant Fix Concealer. This has a lot of names. It's a double-ended, so there's Hydro Prep on one end and the 24-hour concealer on the other end. The applicator is plastic, and it's sort of this pink little light cream, so you just tap it on. I usually then go and, you know, maybe contour or whatever. And then on the other side is a doe foot applicator with the stuff everywhere, with the concealer, and I am using the color 1N Light Neutral. I've been using this for a while. I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. I did set it with the Becca Under Eye setting powder, as I do the majority of my concealers. And then just to top it off, we're gonna go ahead and set our face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Love that, it's my favorite. Final thoughts on the products that we tried, the new products. So the Ciate London eyeshadow palette, I think it's very pretty. I think the colors are pigmented. They are very creamy. They glide on very easily. So yeah, I love the colors. I think they're perfect for fall. I love that there's shimmers as well as mattes. I love there's transition colors, there's darker colors. So it's very, very pretty. And then the mascara, I will say in the sample size, I'm very pleased. I like it. I'll get the large and then I'll let you know, because I swear sometimes I don't know what happens, but so many times I've liked the sample, I get it, and then I do not like the formula in the regular size. And then the Nudestix in the color Mystic. I think this is very nice. Is it like my favorite lipstick ever? No, we know Estée Lauder is my favorite lipstick, but I think this is a very nice color. It's very creamy. This is a beautiful color. So if you're looking for something very easy, I mean, it went on very easy, very creamy. Just don't set it next to your curling iron, because otherwise it'll melt. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's my thoughts on some of the beauty products in the Glossy Box Advent Calendar. I will be experimenting with more of them. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.